So yep, it's definitely better with that 1 million and mixed with a grease. Sorry. So it's definitely better with that 1 million and mixed with grease. It's not an infraction, but you can definitely do some street bashing. And this is using a 17.5 ton brushless motor with reverse. It's not fast, but it's quite torquey.
Okay.
Torque, more torque. That's what I do.
No.
Ah, that's hang on. Too easy.
That could be a speed jump.
Yep, it's a fun street bashing car. And the tires are cheap as well, not as expensive as infraction.
Is it drifting?